So in this video I'm going to show you how in this video we are going to measure the dimension of this Sherman tank components, which including this sprocket, drive shaft, wow, this is about 27 inch. It's about 27 inch, 2 feet and 3 inch. So that's the diameter of this drive sprocket. It's from tip to tip. It's about 27 inch or 2 feet in 3 inch. Okay, how about this suspension bogie? The suspension bogie is about 20 inch and 20.5 inch. So how about this main roller? This is the back roller. It's about 21 inch. So this is about 21 inch. And the sprocket over there, this main driving sprocket is 27 inch. And this suspension bogie is 20 inch. How about this return roller? This is about 14 inch. So just to give you an idea about the components of this Sherman tank, of course you can easily look into the internet, but it's totally different when you look at the exact measurement using a real tape measure.